Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from on your tab X9. So let's start from opening the Play Store and look for the fax app. Now choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again the free credits button, you have to restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this photo for example, never mind. Click on the import and now you can add this as shape to your document or the picture. If you already click on the arrow icon, now choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. If you already click on the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send the message just click on this button. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.